This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your YouTube account and opening YouTube Studio. This gets you into the creator environment where the audio library lives. Once in, click Create and choose Audio Library so you can browse music and sound effects immediately. Make sure to check the license column because it tells you whether attribution is required versus free use. This matters for video descriptions. Now that you have the library open, filter by genre, mood, or duration so you can pick a track that matches your video pacing. Next, you filter and preview tracks to find the right fit. Filtering narrows hundreds of options to a practical shortlist, which saves time. Once you click play, listen for clashes with dialogue and tempo issues, and make sure to test selected tracks by importing them into your editor timeline so you can hear them under your footage. After confirming a match, download the file or note the exact title for attribution. Keep the original file name and license text in a project folder for later reference. Finally, you import the downloaded track into your video editor and place it on a dedicated audio track. Adjust volume levels and apply ducking or keyframes so speech remains clear, because loud music can trigger viewer drop-off. Once done, add the exact attribution line in your video description if the license requires it, and export using your usual settings. Upload to YouTube and verify the audio sync and content ID status. If a match or claim appears, check the library license.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.